Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, January 8th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So the stock market yesterday didn't have the best day. Investors started off hopeful, but things turned south as the day went on. The Standard & Poor's 500 dropped over 1.1%, the tech-heavy Nasdaq slid about 1.9%, and the Dow Jones wobbled all day before closing down 0.4%. Now, one big story was Nvidia. The stock had hit a record high just a day earlier, but yesterday it tumbled over 6%, making it the Dow's worst performer. The company's CEO, Jensen Huang, had unveiled a shiny new AI superchip during his CES keynote, but that excitement didn't hold. Meanwhile, over in the bond market, the 10-year Treasury yield climbed about 7 basis points, sitting just below 4.7%. And those hoping for a Fed rate cut soon, well, they might have to wait a little longer. Here's why. New data from the Institute for Supply Management showed the manufacturing sector is still growing, but prices jumped to their highest level in nearly 2 years. An expert called it a reminder that the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation isn't over, especially with things like tariffs and immigration policies likely to add more pressure. And speaking of data, the JOLTS job openings report showed more openings than expected in November. But there's a twist. Fewer hires were made, and fewer workers quit their jobs, which could mean people are feeling a bit less confident about the job market. All this sets the stage for Friday's December jobs report. Investors now seem pretty sure the Fed will leave rates untouched later this month. But as for rate cuts before June, odds are less than 50-50. That's your quick wrap on yesterday's market moves. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone.